How to create conditional branches in n8n. So to do that, first head over to your n8n workflow and click on the this plus icon. From there, click on this search and search right here for if. You can see right here this, it gives you access to route items to different branches. So click on this right here, and in here you can see the condition. So for example, you can just input right here a particular input, and then you can execute first the previous nodes to get those inputs. And then once you're done, you can head over and add right here some values. You can also add right here condition or change it according to string, number, date and time, boolean, plus arrays and objects. So once that's been added, you will see in here two pathways. If something is true, you can add right here another options like another node that you would want to add. Now you can also add right here false, or you can also do nothing after this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.